In 2020, if you took the entire market of NFTs and added it up in the month of January, you would have gotten about $1 million in sales. Just 16 months later, in April 2021, the average monthly sales of NFTs jumped to a whopping $150 million. Anything that grows by 150 times in just 14 months deserves your attention. That's because there's a lot of money to be made in such an explosive market. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make money with NFTs even if you are just starting out. Now, the first thing that you will need to do is have a way to purchase NFTs. There are 3 super simple steps to this. First, you have to buy your cryptocurrency on a cryptocurrency exchange such as Coinbase or Binance. Then you move that cryptocurrency from the exchange to a wallet such as MetaMask wallet, and then you connect your wallet to an NFT marketplace, the biggest one currently being OpenSea, and then you can buy your NFTs. That's like a very quick overview of the buying process, a 3-step process. So I'll take you through each step. Once you have bought your cryptocurrency on an exchange such as Coinbase, you then move that crypto to your crypto wallet such as MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet. And this wallet is where you will be storing your cryptocurrency like Ethereum to purchase your NFTs. Also, the MetaMask is where you will be storing your NFTs. So to download a MetaMask, you'll go to the website metamask.io. On the site, you will find 3 download versions of the MetaMask wallet: Chrome, iOS, and Android. I recommend that you download the Chrome version because then you add MetaMask to your Chrome extension and the wallet will be accessible on the top right portion of your Chrome window. To put Ethereum on your wallet, go to the buy button, and from there you will see a QR code along with an address. This is your MetaMask address to send Ethereum to your wallet. For instance, you go to an exchange where you have Ethereum, and on the exchange you give them this address and you'll have Ethereum on your MetaMask wallet to purchase NFTs. Once you have Ethereum on your MetaMask account, you'll want to go to an NFT marketplace in order to make your first purchase. In this example, we'll use the most popular NFT marketplace, OpenSea. So go to OpenSea.io and register an account, and this will allow you to make an NFT purchase. Once you have your account open, you will find a drop-down menu tab that will show you the following: My profile, my collections, my favorites, my account settings. Now, these tabs will be the main way that you navigate around your account. Once your account is open, your MetaMask wallet will be connected to your OpenSea account. Now that you're ready to purchase NFTs, it is important to know why this investment is so potentially lucrative. Let's go back to the time when you collected baseball cards or Pokemon cards. There are a couple of things that made these cards so valuable. Some of these cards are extremely rare, which makes them valuable. Also, there are some people who required certain cards to complete their collection. The same principles apply here. Many NFTs are extremely rare, and that gives them value from a great number of people. Also, NFTs are unique in that they cannot be counterfeited because each NFT is tied to a verifiable smart contract. The OpenSea marketplace is actually made up of a number of different NFT marketplace categories, and here's a look at some of the most popular categories you'll find: art, music, domain names, virtual worlds, trading cards, and collectibles. And as a beginner, let's keep things simple and focus exclusively on the art section. Let's use one NFT collection as an example. Here we're going to take a look at Cool Cat's NFT collection. On this page, you will find the following information at the top of the page. Here you will see the number of items in the collection, which is currently 9,999 items. You will find the number of owners next to it, and after that you will see the floor price. Now, this is the cheapest price that a Cool Cat NFT is being sold for. Finally, you will see the volume that has been traded in the entire collection in its history. Looking at Cool Cats, you can tell that each one is different. That's because they are made up of different attributes. These attributes include the colour of the skin of the Cool Cats, the type of clothes that they are wearing, as well as any hair or hats that they are wearing. Some of these attributes are rarer than others. For example, let's take a look at this Cool Cat. You click on the image and you are taken to the NFTs page where you can check out the NFT's description and sales history. On the properties tab, you can see what attributes this Cool Cat NFT has. When you want to purchase an NFT, you can place a bid, which is essentially an offer for the seller. The seller can then choose to accept your offer and the NFT becomes yours. Buying at mint. Another way to purchase an NFT, and a potentially more lucrative way to make a killing in this market, is to purchase an NFT at mint. So the minting of an NFT is essentially the creation of the token. Many NFT collections will have a mint date where you can become the first owner of that NFT. However, minting an NFT does not not happen on an NFT marketplace. You will have to go to the NFT collection's official website. This requires a little more kind of legwork and is far riskier, however it can really be worth the effort if you do your research. How to find lucrative NFT projects. Whether you're looking to purchase NFTs at a marketplace or during minting, you will need to know which collections are going to be worth your hard-earned crypto. Here are a few tips on finding the more lucrative NFT projects. Discover upcoming NFT projects on Rarity Tools. As discussed before, your best opportunity to get a potentially valuable NFT for a low price is to mint them. So where can you find upcoming NFT projects to mint? Go to rarity.tools and click on the upcoming tab. There you will find upcoming NFT projects where you can mint NFTs. Each listing will have the Twitter, Discord and website links for the project. You'll also find the mint price and the mint date. When you find a listing that is interesting to you, then go to the next step. Step 2. Check the project's links. After finding a project that interests you on rarity.tools, be sure to check out the project's Twitter account to see how many followers they actually have. Also check how often they tweet. From there, check out the project's website and read the white paper and the roadmap. These are two important pieces of information where you can get an overview of the project's plan. Finally, join the project's Discord where the project's creators will place you on a whitelist which will allow you to mint an NFT collection before anyone else. You can kind of get a feel for how popular or how well the NFT is going to sell at mint by how active the following is on Twitter and Discord. If the Discord is super active and the founder's keeping everyone up to date, and let's say there's 10,000 people in that Discord server but only 3,000 NFTs that are going to be minted, then there's a pretty good chance that they're all going to sell out pretty much immediately. Step 3. Mint at the scheduled time. Finally, you will have to make sure that you are ready to mint the NFTs that you want at the mint date. The most popular projects will sell out in minutes, and if you are on the whitelist, then you probably have a pretty good chance at minting that NFT. Also, be sure to confirm the mint price and make sure that you have enough crypto in your MetaMask. Once you have minted the NFT, it will be in your wallet and you will be able to sell it on a secondary market such as OpenSea. Safety tips. Be careful, there's a lot of fraud out there in the NFT world, therefore you'll need to be very careful. Here are some helpful tips to ensure that you stay safe. Check out the activity level on Discord. Make sure that the owners and founders of the project is active on Discord. If they haven't posted in a while, then they may abandon the project. That could quickly make your NFTs worthless. Only purchase NFTs from popular marketplaces. When starting out, stick to popular NFT marketplaces like OpenSea. These sites do well to keep pretender NFTs that look similar to popular NFTs off their marketplace. While NFTs cannot be counterfeited, there are those who create copycat NFTs that look like valuable NFTs, but they will have little to no value. Verify any addresses before you visit and beware of phishing scams. If you get an email that says that your OpenSea account is suspended, be very careful. This could be what is known as a phishing scam, and the link on the email will take you to a site that looks a lot like OpenSea. However, if you connect your MetaMask wallet to the site, you could find your funds and your NFTs get stolen. Bookmark NFT marketplace sites and only use your bookmarks to visit them. This will help you avoid copycat sites. Getting into the NFT world. The NFT world is only looking to get bigger. In 2022, Coinbase and GameStop are opening NFT marketplaces which will bring in millions of new people to the market. This can be extremely bullish for people who get in early on excellent NFT projects. And if you're still unsure on what exactly an NFT is, I made a video recently on what is an NFT, everything you need to know. You can click on the card on the screen to watch that. Alternatively, I made another video, 7 ways NFTs will be used in the real world. Again, you can click on the card on the screen, and whichever video you choose, I'll see you over there.